My name is Gus Sanchez. Just want to make a quick video to introduce my company to your business. Corporate Wireless Expert is a telecom expense management company specializing in Sprint, Verizon, and AT&T accounts. What we do is we conduct a complete bill analysis on your account with our auditing software. What I want to do is take 5 minutes of your time to give you a quick demonstration of our services. So I'm going to turn the camera around and give you the demonstration. Corporate Wireless Experts specializes in analyzing company accounts. How do we do that? It's in 3 easy steps. We upload your bill, we right-size your plan, and we help you save up to 23% off of your service. Now, our service work with all 3 major carriers. Works with Sprint, Verizon, and now our service is on to the other screen. And what we do is we take your bill in a PDF format. So this is the actual engine behind the software. What we do is we take your bill, and we go ahead and choose this bill, and see right here it says Analyze. See my mouse? I'm going to go ahead and click Analyze. What it does, it starts processing bill, please wait, elapsed time. It takes about 30, it can take up to 30 minutes to analyze the account, depending on the size of the account. Now, from there, what it does is after we analyze your account, the next step that we do is, let's go here. So there's the bills again. It comes back with a complete analysis. Okay, let me go back one step. It'll show you the savings on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis, tips for potential savings, messaging potential savings, and data potential savings. Okay, then it'll also show us the top 5, what we call the power users. You see that? Power users, the top 5 users on your account, the calls per day, calls per hour, and there is the usage summary. Okay, I'm looking at the last 3 bills for a company. Then it downloads the bill into an Excel spreadsheet. For example, this particular company was on a 24,000 minute plan. They were only using 7,761 minutes. So we put them on a 10,000 minute plan and reduced their bill about $1,300 a month. It also shows you the top 5 numbers called by each employee. It shows the recommended text messaging plan. So for example, this particular number here used 582 text messages, paid $105. The recommendation is put them on a $15 plan, save themselves $90.60. Now it also goes to your data plans. For example, there's a number there, existing BlackBerry plan, $44.99, suggested plan, $39.99. Then it also goes through your, let's see, messaging charges. You know, there it is, 41 text messages, was on the $14.99 plan. Recommendation is $5, save themselves $9. So not only does it go through your overage, but it also goes for any account that you are overpaying. So a lot of times companies only call their carriers if they start going over their bill. But 9 out of 10 times, companies are overpaying their carrier if they are not going over their minutes. So going back to the report here, here it is. There it is. This company billed amount $3,493.34. Potential savings $1,776.19. So there's the numbers. You did not have any usage on these numbers. We recommend that you cancel these lines. It also looks at your mobile broadband usage. If you have any mobile broadband cards for your mobile employees, it also gives you a money breakdown on the calling plans, directory assistance, download, long distance, text messaging sent, text messages received, text messages plan charges, wireless data charges, taxes and government fees, and insurance on your account. Now, for example, this particular company here paid, it's very difficult to see that, but basically paid $75 in casual data usage. Okay, there's some casual data usage. The recommendation is that the data should be blocked, and that should be credited back to the account. So our software does a complete analysis on your service. Now, there is a recommendation for current minutes used, 19,345. Current minutes included, 36,000. That's way too many minutes. Suggestion, 24,750. A savings of $1,304. Now, most companies have 2 options with the service. Now, what we could do is we could take the savings and put it into your pocket. Your other option is to take the money and reinvest it into your company. How, you may ask? That's a good question. Our services, what we do is we also specialize in the GPS time track application. Our preferred vendor is Zora, and the way our services work is through the actual phone that your employees are carrying, you can know the employee's location. So there is Michael's location, okay? You could also view it in integration to Google Maps, so you could actually see through Google Maps where the location is at. You could also have what's called breadcrumb trails, know where employees are at throughout the day. Shift reports, that's another application where you could actually have your employees to clock in and clock out through the actual system, because the employees, there's no way that type of phones we offer. You know, for example, this phone here is the Palm Pre, which is very similar to the iPhone, except it has a keyboard and functionalities. We have the BlackBerry Tour. Right now we have the BlackBerry Curves, which is, you know, buy one, get one free. We also specialize in the push-to-talk service, you know, our rugged military spec devices, as well as the GPS tracking for the vehicles as well. So as you know, we could offer you the complete solution for your business. Please give us an opportunity to go into your business, give you a quick presentation, and hopefully this will give you an insight on what we offer, and you'll give us an opportunity to earn your business. Thank you for your time, and have yourself a great day.